I'll see you in a few, my Skittles. Oh, cheesecake. Oh, Sarah Lip, naughty little cheesecake. We'll have fun tonight. Oh, yes. Talk dirty to me, cheesecake. Go ahead. Do it naughty. Oh, tell me you have chocolate, blueberry, strawberry, anything. Talk dirty. Oh, let me turn on the light, my love. I got to see your beautiful face. Oh, sorry, cheesecake. You caught me cheating. Bad little ogre. Let me finish. Oh, best cheesecake I ever had. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, go ahead. Check it out, Black Yoshi playing some Call of Duty on Xbox 360 because my PlayStation network down because some hoes done try to hack it. Nope, not over here. I still own it. Alright, go ahead. Alright. Yeah, not up in Black Yoshi house. Not up in here you don't. Because you want know something? Look at my chain. Okay, go ahead. Do your chain hang low, always. Do it wobble through the floor. No, don't, because I don't want there's no ground. Go ahead. What's that? Oh, no, can't be. Shrekky! Man, calm down with that cheesecake in there. Alright, then get it back, man. Call of Duty. Alright. Dude, I told you, calm down. Cheesecake ain't that good. No, it's not. Alright, gotta get focused now. You just went like 25-2. We gotta do better than that. Alright, let's get focused now. Play some Call of Duty. Yeah. Cheesecake ain't that good, folks. Cheesecake ain't that good. Oh, I'm gonna go check on this folk. I'm gonna set it off over there. I'm about to set it off over here. I'm about to go round. Cricky, what is that? Oh, I don't know, Black Donkey. Maybe you could tell me. I'm just sitting here trying to enjoy my cheesecake, and then moment to end, because I see little toucan bird with Fruit Loops, and no. That's what I ate for breakfast. I'm trying to come in here, eat my cheesecake, and then Fruit Loop bird. You tell me what's going on, Donkey. Oh, you know I ain't bring no bird up in the crib. You know that. What's up? I'm gonna go pet it. Let's go pet it. I'm gonna come over here and just pet the little bird. Yeah, good bird. Oh, hey, Shrek, get my guy.
Black
Get my
Donkey.
guy real quick. It eat me.
Don't worry, Black Donkey. I found your Glock. I'm gonna get it. Oh, Black Donkey, I've never shot one of these before.
Just shoot it, Bo. Just shoot him. Ah, Bo, you shot me. You shot me, Bo. All right. I hope he likes cat food. I don't know what birds eat these days. Back in the day, they ate cat food. Maybe this will work. All right, now, let's go feed him. Oh, Reese's Pieces. He might like them. He might have a sweet beak every now and then. Throw some in there. All right, we're good now. All right, let's go feed him. Oh, I hear yelling. Oh, Skittles in trouble. Let's go get him. Skittles, is everything okay? I shot Black Donkey. Skittles. Bad Skittles. Drop him, Skittles. Drop him. Oh, thank the Lord, folks. Folks, he shot me in the nose, folks. Cheesecake dude. There's a bunch of camp up in my nose. Skittles, you're going to time out. Bad Skittles. Well, you know this bird, folks? Yeah, I caught him earlier.